Foundation brush is also known as buffing brush. The foundation brush is to make the smooth application of your base or foundation on the skin easy. Using a brush of good quality makes all the difference. This brush allows to blend foundation out smoothly so that you can buff the product into the skin, giving it the most smooth and natural look. Palette brush. Palette brush is a long flat taper tip brush. It is used for the application of foundation or face painting. This brush allows the perfect amount of pressure for the smooth application of the product over pores, lines. Beauty blender is a type of sponge that can be used for any makeup application. You name it. Either it is applying foundation, BB cream or concealer. The best way of using beauty blender is to wet it with water, squeeze extra water and dab on the skin to blend out foundation evenly. A powder brush is a long, fluffy and smooth texture brush. It is used to deposit loose powder evenly on the skin without releasing too much product and making your makeup look cakey. Best way of using this brush is to take product by dabbing and applying in a circular motion or sweeping stroke direction. Contour brush is a long angle brush. It has medium density. It is used for applying contour shade on side of the face for enhancing facial features. Blush brush is similar to powder brush but smaller. The texture of this brush is smooth and fluffy. Bristles are packed more densely for the controlled application. The texture of this brush helps for the lightest application of blush pigment for the sheer finish. Sharpener brush is also known as flat brush. Sharpener brush is available in different sizes depend on its use. It can be used for applying concealer, correcting spots in concealer area, or for giving a sharp touch in eyeshadow. In short, it is multifunctional brush. This brush has an angle to it. Bristles are more stiffer compared to contour brush. It can be used for adding intense color to the corner of the eye, for lining crease with contrast color, smudging eyeliner, and filling eyebrows. Eyeshadow blending brush is as same as foundation brush but smaller. Bristles are smooth and fluffy. It is used to blend out harsh eyeshadow line and make it appear more natural. Pencil brush is a small brush for sharp detailing. It is used for softening eyeshadow, smudging the liner, adding highlighter on the eye, for drawing defined line on the lid, along the lash line and drawing crease. It acts like a pencil in eye makeup. Eyeliner brush helps draw fine, neat, straight line. It is used for drawing eyeliner shape of any desired choice. This texture of this brush is thin and more stiffer. Lipstick brush has a soft bristle at the end with a long, thin pencil-like wand. Best way of applying lipstick is by using brush because it helps in giving a fine, sharp look on lip and spreading product evenly. It is also used for applying lip gloss, but the use of this brush is often neglected. The bristles of this brush is arranged in a fan-like manner. The shape of fan helps to apply highlighter, bronzer in a perfect shape. Caring and sanitization of makeup brush. Washing of makeup brush should be once or twice every week using a mild liquid soap. Just take water in a bowl, add liquid soap and dip makeup brush in it for 15 to 20 minutes. Then by using silicone scrubber, scrub it and rinse it in a tap water. Let it dry on a clean towel.